In my last video, I talked about how to camouflage or highlight your butt using fashion. How simple tweaks in fabric, fit, and silhouette can completely shift how your body is perceived. But if there's one area people struggle with even more, it's the stomach. Have you ever put on an outfit and felt like your stomach looked completely different than you expected? Maybe that dress made it look more prominent, or a structured top magically smoothed it out. In this video, we're breaking down how to either camouflage or highlight your stomach, whether you have a small budge, a fuller midsection, or just want to understand how fashion plays with proportions. The goal is to give you full control over how your body is perceived through clothing. If you have a slight tummy and want to downplay it, here's how to use clothing to your advantage. The first technique is to cover up with a jacket or overblouse and use diagonal lines. Create diagonals over the stomach, especially at the bottom of a jacket. This breaks up space and distracts from the midsection. The tied overblouse also adds dimension above the stomach to change the contour line. This helps shift focus upward. Next, wear draped fabrics over the bulge with diagonal styling details. These create a soft, flowing effect instead of a sharp contrast that draws attention. The third technique is to choose peplum jackets or tops that blouse slightly outward from the stomach. This subtly extends past the stomach, reducing its visual prominence. You might also want to go for garments with gathers that fall easily over the tummy. Adding a detail like a bow elsewhere will divert the eye away from the stomach area. Lastly, use pleats strategically. Wearing pleats on each side of the tummy creates the illusion of a flatter stomach by breaking up the visual width. The key here is to soften the area and redirect focus, rather than emphasizing structure directly at the midsection. But what if you want to highlight your stomach instead of minimizing it? Here's how to make it a feature rather than a flaw. The first technique is to wear a diagonally wrapped, form-fitting dress or gown. This creates intentional draping over the stomach. Balancing this with a flared skirt will also help. Next, use fabric wrapping to enhance the tummy's shape. Draping or wrapping the fabric around the midsection highlights the stomach and creates movement and volume, making the area a focal point. Balance the fullness of the stomach with a full drape at the back. The goal is to lean into the natural shape instead of hiding it, especially in styles that celebrate soft, flowing silhouettes. Now, if your stomach is naturally fuller and you want to create a more streamlined silhouette, here's what works best. The first technique is to use full shoulder tops or dresses that taper below the stomach. This creates a top-heavy balance that draws attention upward while skimming over the midsection. You can also drape the fabric over the stomach in a large, sweeping motion. This effect creates an elegant cascade, blending the tummy into the entire silhouette. Next, choose tops that are slightly darker than the bottom. If the top is slightly darker in color than the skirt, then the eye is naturally drawn to the narrow skirt. Lastly, use thigh bands or shoulder-to-thigh draping. If your thighs are narrow, cover up the stomach by draping fabric from the shoulder to a dramatic thigh band. This technique visually redistributes volume to create proportionate balance. The trick here is creating flow instead of contrast, so the midsection blends rather than stands out. But if you want to embrace your stomach as a statement feature, here's how to do it with confidence. For the first technique, balance is everything. If you highlight a large stomach, it's best to optically balance it with a fuller part elsewhere, or have some part of your visual presentation larger than the stomach, as in fullness at the back of the skirt or dramatic sleeves. The bigger the stomach, the grander the total design must be. Secondly, add a dramatic ornament at the top of the stomach. Then, loosely drape the fabric over the stomach in a large sweep of fabric. This effect dramatizes the stomach if the back of the gown is relatively flat. This naturally pulls the eye to the ornament instead of the shape itself. Lastly, use structured draping to emphasize curves. Show off the stomach by highlighting it with a striking draped effect that goes around the tummy. Renoir's painting, Dancer with Castanets, is a great example that showcases this. The long flowing skirt at the back balances the tummy's fullness. Repeat the curve of the stomach in garlands, belts, or layers to create harmony rather than contrast. Instead of working against your natural shape, the idea here is to enhance and harmonize it, turning it into a powerful style statement. At the end of the day, whether you're minimizing, enhancing, or embracing your natural shape, fashion is a tool. And when you understand how it works, you take back control. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more style breakdowns like this. And let me know in the comments what body part should I cover next. Thanks for watching.